In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a rotating logo in Adobe After Effects. First, import your logo and drag the PNG onto the Composition button. This will automatically create a composition based on the PNG size and add it to the timeline. Select the logo layer and press S on your keyboard to adjust the scale. Resize it so it fits nicely in the composition. Next, make the logo a 3D layer by enabling the 3D layer icon. If you don't see this option, click Toggle Switches/Modes at the bottom of the timeline panel to reveal it. With the logo still selected, press R on your keyboard to open the rotation properties. You'll now see X, Y, and Z rotation options. Choose the axis you want to rotate on and click the stopwatch next to that rotation property to set the first keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Move forward 2 or 3 seconds, depending on how fast you want the rotation, and change the rotation value to 360 degrees. This will create a complete rotation of the logo on the selected axis. Now, if you want to slow down the rotation, and our composition is 10 seconds long, simply move the second keyframe to the end of the composition. This will make the rotation smoother, slower, and more visually pleasing. To make the animation smoother and more realistic, enable motion blur for the layer and also turn on motion blur in the timeline panel. And that's it. You now have a smooth, professional-looking rotating logo in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more After Effects tips and tutorials.